Ako po si Ferdy Digala, alumni ng Seminaryo Batch 84. 7 araw na lang po at 82nd founding anniversary na ng Our Lady of Mount Carmel Seminary. We are inviting you to join us on October 11, 2024. See you there!